Hi, Cookie. Today we're gonna do hamburger, cough, soda, french fries, and soda, and we're gonna put it in it so we eat it. Let's go. We wrap this wrap here. See what's inside. Whoop. Here. Let's open it. Whoa. Let's make a yellow swipe. Open that, guys. Time to eat it. Yummy! It's so yummy.